Hi guys, so today I am going to show you what this is all about. And this is what I drawed right there. So it's all about selling ice cream. You usually get to use 2 dolls, and I use 2. I use Sparkly Lady and a bus driver for the ice cream truck. And she's stepping right here. She is the one that says try me. And she's driving. Ah, she fell down. She's not a good driver. That much. And she just asked you if you want ice cream. Here, I'll give you an example with my brother. No, you gotta ask for it. Say, excuse me. Say it like a normal person. Say, excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, sir. What would you like today? This. Okay, that would be 20 bucks. Thank you very much. Okay, whenever you're done, return it, because I don't want the glass going missing. Okay, put it back, and we'll refill it. So just put it in the returns right here. So, do you want anything else, sir?
We want this.
Okay, that would be 25 cents.
Okay.
Thank you. That's good.
We get the bag.
Yeah, you can get it. That's like ice cream bag. It's a pretend ice cream bag.
Not the phone.
Yeah, it's like a pretend foam ice cream. Yeah, like it? Okay. You don't want to lick it? Okay. Okay, put it back. Put it in the returns, sweetheart. Do you want anything else? Do you want do you want
the purple ice cream?
Oh, the ice cream, the purple ice cream?
In the plate.
Okay.
In the plate. It's in the plate.
It's not there, sweetheart. We don't have purple ones, but we have this purple one. Do you want it?
No.
What do you want instead?
Give me a pick of this.
Okay, that's enough. No more ice cream for you. You're crazy. Okay, guys, that's our tour. And if you saw, look close up, and there's ice cream coming out of the bin. So, guys, this roof opens. You can see them, their heads. Don't steal any. You need money for them.
Yeah, money.